Hi everyone, welcome back. For today's mani, we're going to be dipping into dip powders from Luxie Nail, and we're also going to be using these really awesome decals from Nails Truly. When I saw these colors from Luxie, I knew we had to use that decal sheet. I just feel like the colors and then the decal just tie in so well together. So we're doing the gel method today, and we're going to start off with this beautiful color here. It is the most perfect ivory linen color. It is called Vintage Linen, and the name speaks for itself. It is beautiful, and that is just one coat. So we are going to stay doing one coat on that nail only, because that's going to be the nail we're going to end up adding that decal to. And I wanted it more of like a vintage rustic kind of look when we put that decal over that nail. So now we're diving into this beautiful green. This green has an olive undertone, and it is everything. This color right here would be fantastic for an all over mani and then a matte finish. That is like what I'm envisioning with this beautiful green. It's definitely a must-have. Now this collection right here, it is a Christmas farm inspired collection, and all the colors are perfect. Not only are they going to get you into that holiday spirit, but they're great colors for any time of the year, and they're super full coverage. So again, we are doing that gel method today. The gel method is pretty much my go-to in general. I really love the gel method. And I really missed using these Model 1 gels. So it's been a hot minute. If you've been watching my channel for a while, the Model 1's gel base and top coat were like the only thing I was using for the longest time. And then I switched to a different brand. And now I'm just like falling back in love with Model 1's. It's such a good gel. If you're in the market for gel, it's very inexpensive. You can get it from Amazon. It's an awesome, awesome gel, especially for press-ons because it's that thinner consistency. Plus the top coat has a really awesome shine. All right, so check out this coverage. Isn't that great? I love that green. It is like the perfect rustic green, and I just love that slight undertone to it of that olive goodness. All right, so we're getting into another color here. We're going to add a little bit of sparkle here to that pinky nail, and then we're going to be playing with a glitter. All right, so enough chit chat. Let's get into these beautiful colors, and then I'm going to pop back in just a little bit.
Hold up, I am on my way, I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sunset, it is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, yeah, that's what we do. We'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. Here we go. All right. Now this Christmas, we're gonna dance. We're gonna dance. Come on. We're gonna dance. Have a good time. Dance. All night long, we're gonna dance. And have a good time. I think Santa's gonna come and join us in this song. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna Christmas in my heart.
All right, so we're diving into this beautiful decal, and we're only going to use one on this nail because I really wanted just the colors to coincide with this decal. Now we're doing it over that vintage linen color, and I will say I really like how this turned out. So normally when you're working with decals, you want to do it on a very bright white background to really have those colors of that decal just shine through. But I really like how it has like this vintage rustic vibe with that beautiful linen color background. It just totally just tied it in for me completely, and I really like how this turned out. So now I have a lot of extra here on that nail with that decal, so I'm doing the same method, the flat brush with the acetone, and I'm just carefully removing any extra decal that may be hanging over the free edge of the sidewalls and just flattening everything down. Once everything is flattened down, I'm just gonna press carefully and just make sure everything is laying completely flat. And then we're going to seal in this decal with a layer of gel base and cure for 30 seconds. If you're looking for a more in-depth tutorial on decals, I have plenty of other videos with like the full process. I do use decals quite a lot here on my channel. For 30 seconds, we're going to finish up the nails here with a layer of gel top coat and cure for 60 seconds. And I added the gel base to all the nails and the top coat. And here's the finished mani. I love these colors so much. It's a different take on holiday. I feel like you can definitely pull off any kind of mani for whatever season or whatever look you're going for with these powders. They're super pretty. They're great colors to add to your collection. The coverage that you get with the Luxie nail dip powders are everything. I love them so much. And that glitter, it's so sparkly, but yet everything laid super flat with the gel method. And then we have that decal that just totally tied in all the colors for me for this rustic farmhouse mani that we did. And then we added a little bit of glitter on that other nail there just for an extra pop of sparkle. So I really like how this mani turned out. I will go ahead and link everything that we use in today's video in that description box below. Don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you all in the next one.